Alrighty guys, today's September 15th. I'm at my new shop, which I'm not going to show. But I just figured I'd show what I'm working on. This is a Craftsman that I'm replacing all three seat switches on, or safety switches, which ought to be fun. The videos are kind of hard to make because I got customers coming left and right, and my employees finally went on lunch break. And this right here is my own mower that the motor messed up in it. The camshaft compression release broke, and the head gasket was blowed, so I'm waiting on a top oil seal for it. I figured I'd just do this quick little update, show a little bit of the shop. I'm working indoors now. What a transformation. Anyways, there will be videos, like I said, when I have the free time, like I do now, just real quick. This is what I'm up to videos. Over here is one workbench where my guy primarily fixes all the 2-cycle stuff. I got another workbench, and then I'm usually the one on the phone running around and everything. Here's my battery rack. Spare parts. I'm waiting on a replacement motor for this mower. Bunch of belts in the floor still. Generator all tore apart. Oil. A spot for a 220 volt welder. Refrigerator. A leaky kitchen sink. And a really old microwave that still works. And there's the air compressor. Anyways, I'm going to get on to fixing this darn thing. I got 3 safety switches to change out, which that one for the clutch is going to be fun. You have to crawl up under it. But anyways, like I said, there'll be plenty more videos. There's out in the yard all what I got to fix. 2 weeks behind in September. Anyways, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye for now.